As your YouTube account is getting ready for monetization and your website is getting ready for monetization, you are going to need Google AdSense to be receiving payments. That is why I make this wonderful video, so that you will learn all the method and tricks that you can use in setting up a wonderful and amazing AdSense account to receive any payment from all over the world. As far as your YouTube is being monetized and your website is being monetized, right? So make sure you watch this video to the end so you see all the method and all the steps I use. So now I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. So I will just go to my browser and I will search for Google AdSense, right? So I'm going to type Google AdSense right now. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of other tutorials on my YouTube account. Make sure you check it out. So just search for it. Give it time, it's loading. So be patient. Alright, so now it's open. So you can see the first link there, Google AdSense, earn money from your website with monetization. So that's the exactly one we are going to use for YouTube as well. So just click on it. So click on it. Alright, so look at the URL. We have adsense.google.com/start. Alright, so I don't want to enter it that way, so I'm just giving you a easy method for you to be able to search. So once you get to this place, click on sign up. You can see, wait a little bit for it. Alright, so one thing you need to understand is you have to use your real information, because anything concerning accepting money and sending money on the internet, your real information is required. Make sure you use all your real information, the one you have, your ID. So if you have an email, just sign up with email. If you don't have, you create one or logged in, right? So that's exactly what I'm doing now. Make sure all the details you are using on this particular website is real. So if you have a website, you put your website name. All right, so there's this blog that I'm working on. It's a free website, so you can actually try get a website with blogger.com. So that's the website I'm trying to link up with, right? So there is a button there that said if you don't have a website, you can proceed. All right, so I just want to try the two for you to understand how it all works. All right, so I'm trying to copy it here. I just copy the URL. You see, I just copy the URL of the website. So I will go back to this place. I will paste. But you see, if I don't have a website. If you click there, you can click there if you don't have a website. So get more out of AdSense. So for me, I will just say yes, send me customize, help and performance. So I said I don't have a website, right? So but later I'm still going to apply. So now look at what they say. See, I want you to pay attention. This is where a lot of people are doing mistake. They said choose your country. So I'm going to choose USA. All right, I'm going to choose USA right now. Listen, after you create this account and you select your country here, you can decide to select Nigeria or any country you are in, and you select your country, you won't be able to change it again. So make sure if you're trying to create this, make sure you select accurate details. You need to select the country where you currently live so we can verify your identity. You get paid. You can't change this later. So you see, you cannot change it later no matter what. All right, so now I'm gonna I've read, start using AdSense. We can't create your account. We couldn't confirm you're a real person by. All right, so they said they couldn't confirm, so I will just refresh this page. and come back there again. All right, so I will just do the same process again. I think it's network error or so. So select the country. So I'm still going to go for the United States. So I'll go for the United States, and okay. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end, please, so you won't make mistakes. All right, so now I just click on start using. Okay, so we are almost done. Now we are done creating the account. We are on the dashboard of the account. All right, but we still have a lot to do before we can get paid. So I just take that one up. Tell us about you. So you can click there and tell them more about yourself, right? You tell them more about yourself. So you can see where it says customer information. So you can decide to put the details you want here. All right, so you can decide to put the details you want here. So you put the name and the address. All right, so look at the address. So you select them. Make sure you select an address that is on your documents official ID. Make sure that's the one you're selecting so that your account won't be closed down. Right, so once you click on account, look at it, there is setting there, there is payment there, you see. All right, so you can decide to go through them, you see, information, account information. So you can decide to come to account information here. Just give it time. So here they will tell you your ID, customer ID, time zone, active products, you see. So you can decide to select anyone you want. I'm still going to take you to where you can add your website code. Google is going to give you a code that you take to your website, and they will start running adverts on your website. So here, contact information, you put your details there, like all your information there. All right, so they are, look at what they say. You may need to confirm your personal details to get your account ready to receive payment. So this is what they are saying. They said you need to verify before they will start paying you. That's what they're saying. All right, so add payment information. So they are going to tell you to select the kind of payment information you want. So sometimes you may see like a bank details there, and so this is the place I want to add the site. You can see, so I will just click on new site because we don't have any site here. So I'm going to give it is the site name. So I'm going to give it a site name. All right, so I just put the URL instead. So watch, look at what it's going to happen now. So the site is Blogger. Now they are telling me, since the site is Blogger is a Google product as well, so they are going to connect the site automatically. You can see verify site ownership, confirm, request review requested. All right, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account, please. So this is how you can connect your AdSense account um to your website. All right, very, very easy peasy. Now if you have a YouTube channel, once your YouTube is qualified and monetized, you see, you at this ad place, you will see your channel link. It's because this email is new and it's not monetized on YouTube, or I don't have a YouTube channel for it. That's why you are seeing it like that. All right, so they say grow your earning onto auto ads. Let Google show, you can see, fine tune your placement. So all this thing is just like a way of them promoting their content on your website or any server you have, and they will start paying you for running advertisement on your website. So this is a very good opportunity for you to start your online business and start earning money. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, I have other video concerning faceless YouTube account that you can own, and you can start making your money without revealing your face. So these are the place the Google ad is going to appear. You can see this is fantastic. This is awesome. This is awesome. So you see the exact place those advert is going to appear, right? Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video, drop comments,